We're continuing today in Meretz Hashem in Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, and we find ourselves in Simin Zayin Sif Hey, Chapter 7, Halacha 5. Haner Kol Halayla, interesting halacha. If one is awake all night, Mevarich Baboker Kol Berchos HaShachar. So one didn't go to sleep, awake the whole night, they could recite all of Berchos HaShachar, Chutz Mi Berchas Al Netilas Daim She'en Mevarich, with the exception, of course, of the bracha of Al Netilas Yadayim. This has to do with the fact that if a person didn't sleep, technically speaking, there is no obligation of Negelwasser, of Netilas Yadayim in the morning. Because remember, again, as we've seen, the obligation of washing one's hands in the morning is a function of going to sleep and then awakening. One also doesn't go ahead and recite Berchas the bracha of Elokai Neshama, because remember again, it's Elokai Neshama Shenasata Bi Tahorihi, thanking Hashem for the neshama that He's put in me, that He's given back to me. Again, a function of going to sleep. Sleep is the 68th of death, like the Gemara says. A person gives back their neshama to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, then receives it in return. So if a person ultimately didn't go to sleep, they don't say Elokai Neshama. So to again the last of the Berchos HaShachar, Ma'avir Sheina Me'enai Usnuma Me'afapai, thanking Hashem for removing sleep from my eyelids, but I didn't sleep. And the truth is Berchas HaTorah in general, because Berchas HaTorah itself is said upon the fact that when I go to sleep, that concludes the Torah study for that day, and upon awakening, there is a new Berchas HaTorah that has to be said. But if I stayed awake, I don't have to say Berchas HaTorah. Yesh safek im yivarich, V'chein Berchas HaTorah yesh safek im yivarich olo. So there's a safek, right? There's a doubt when it comes to Berchas HaTorah. Is it the fact that I go to sleep and then wake up that generates a new obligation, or maybe each day brings with it its own obligation? So it's a safek. Therefore, again, the minhag is that if a person didn't sleep, they listen to Berchas HaTorah recited by someone else. So the truth is, this, of course, comes up very often, at least once a year for many of us on Shavuos night. On Shavuos night, we're up the whole night learning. So is there an obligation to go ahead and to recite these brachas? So again, according to the Kitzur, you would not say Netilas Yadayim, you would not say Elokai Neshama, and you would not say Hama'avir Sheina Me'enai Usnuma Me'afapai. Berchas HaTorah is a suffix, and therefore you listen to it from someone else. How do we paskin like Lamaisa? So, first you can paskin like this Lamaisa. The Mishnah Berurah gives an interesting eitzah. He says when it comes to Berchas HaTorah, you absolutely should listen to it from someone else. And when it comes to Berchos HaShachar, you should also listen to it from someone else. What about the bracha of Al Netilas Yadayim? So here the Mishnah Berurah says, go to the bathroom, and since after going to the bathroom, that generates an obligation of Netila, an obligation of washing, one could go ahead and recite the bracha of Al Netilas Yadayim as a result of that obligatory washing. Okay, Shkaya Chevra, great to be back learning with everyone. Have a great day.